Hey guys, SmartNinja000 here. Today we are in the most recent snapshot, and you can already see some amazing possibilities with the new grouping. The snapshot, in case anyone's wondering, is 17W49B. That's also in the title, so I don't really think you're wondering. And you'll remember I just did a video about this yesterday, about a new grouping system that was broken. It is now fixed, and you can see the amazing possibilities with it. So I've made all the stone tools, have custom crafting guns, not just stone tools, of course. You can also use furnaces. Those are the only recipes I've made using this new grouping system, but it's extremely useful, and I love it. Now, before I get into how to do this, because I will be explaining how to do this, I'm just going to say the bug fixes. So yeah, get ready for that. Okay, now, right off the bat, you'll notice something super unique about this. If I were just to do \clear at p hashtag, or you can see they added a lot more. Now, stones and test are both ones I added, but all the rest, so buttons, doors, all those are custom, which is really nice. They also removed the game rule, the function game rule. So you'll remember there was a function game rule that you set it to a function name. That is now changed, and the way to do that now is actually in your, well, you know what, I'll show you in a little bit. They fixed some more bugs, like logs now go back to crafting 4. Before they only crafted 1, which is kind of a big issue. So that's added. Team color commands didn't work properly, so they fixed that, so your colors wouldn't show correctly for \team. Pistons would leave their head behind. Language options are blank. Just a lot of bug fixes. But now we have to get into the exciting stuff. Okay, so here we are in our folder, and you'll go to data packs. Then this is your name of your data pack. Then you want data and your MC meta file, which is named pack. Then in this you want your namespace. I like to use Minecraft, and I'll explain that in a second. Then you want to have your functions, your advancements, your loot tables, all that, and tags. Now in this tags, if you want to make a loop, you need to do something like this. So it says functions. In this function folder, you need a .json file named tick. So like this, there's the .json file. And if you want to make custom item groups, you do items. Now blocks, you can also use blocks, but the thing about blocks is that's used for like detecting. If it's an item or in your inventory, it is an item. So clearing if it says blocks, it doesn't work like that. Of course, if you wanted to work both ways, all you really have to do is just copy this folder, paste it in, and rename this blocks. Now we just have two simple files, so which basically state the what's it called? I don't know. Like the blocks you're choosing. I'm going to do a future video on this, so I'm not actually going to get into it, but I am showing you how to format it. Then, of course, in your namespace, you have your recipes, and this is all your recipes. You can see I have all these debug stick. That's just something else. Okay, so here we are. This is just an example of how to do this. You have your first curly bracket, then you have values, colon, space, square bracket, then all your items, and then yeah, you hold it off. And you just have to do that for every single one. So this is every single stone I did, which is for the recipes. Now if you want to use this in a custom recipe, this is actually the one for the stone pickaxe. You just have to make your little recipe symbol, all that. But what you want to do is see where it says item in this place and then it says Minecraft stick. You want to change that to tag, and then you want to put that. Now I tried before, and you can't actually use the hashtag symbol, which is what you do in game for it. So you do have to use the tag. Why this is, I don't know, but that's just the way it is. And now that we head over in game, you can see weird. You can actually craft your items. Now this works with every single stone, and that is super nice. This is not a vanilla feature. You do have to actually do this through the data packs. There's nothing really to say. It's a really awesome feature. It allows you to do a lot of cool grouping. And of course you can also, if you, like I just said, I just have to real quick reload. You that's weird. I don't know what's going on right now. Now you can also see that this works and that I copied it over. Works for all that. So it's really cool. There's lots of different unique things you can do with this, and it's such a great feature considering they removed all the data values, and this makes it so much easier. The nice thing is, even without the data values, this makes you to be able to group every single item. So if you wanted you could even do it by search letter. So R, you have every single item that has an R in its name is added to it, which would be crazy. Or you could just do it like red, all the colors, blue, you just every single green, you can have everything show up, and that is super nice. I love this. It's such a great feature. Of course, you can even do like all the oak stuff, all the slabs, a lot of possibilities. Still a couple bugs that we noticed. Where was it? I'm sorry, one sec. Sorry, I meant bug fixes. No wonder I couldn't find it. These are fixed, the order of it, so now it's all nice, neat, leaves all that good stuff. Few things I would like to see. I would definitely like to see some more tabs on the side. Just maybe make it look a little bit nicer, because you can see there's a lot of items that they could potentially add a couple tabs to make it a little bit cleaner. But otherwise, it's pretty good. This is going to be a great snapshot. A couple things we're missing. Of course, we need the MBT for our recipes. That's a huge one. And, well, that's stats need to be redone. All the statistics are, like, right now garbage, so you can't do scoreboard stats. So pretty much, scoreboard objectives, like add high, or you can see if I just go down here a bit, stat dot broken. It's not the best. So Door. So it's not the best. I think the stats are being reworked, so we just have to wait for that. But otherwise, I think 1.13 is going to be a pretty good update. If you enjoyed this little snapshot video, be sure to leave a like so I know. I know I just did one yesterday, but the snapshot just came out, so yep. If you didn't see yesterday's, be sure to check that one out and every other snapshot video I've done, so that way you know all the features that are coming. And soon I'll make a tutorial on how to add custom recipes and all that great stuff. So thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. If you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe, and like I said before, like the video. See you later.